The Walensee Lawn Leveling Rake 6.5-foot model uses a reinforced, fully welded head and handle connection that feels solid when you are dragging soil, sand, or top dressing across the yard. Its iron construction with a powder-coated finish shrugs off moisture and grit, so it resists rust and holds up well through repeated seasons of lawn work. The leveling plate size is well suited for home lawns, yet the tool is versatile enough for gardens, small farms, and even golf-style turf where you want a smoother, more even surface. An adjustable pole angle and long handle let you work comfortably at different heights, covering a wide swath without constant bending or strain on your back. Assembly is straightforward with screw-together sections that stay tight in use, and the rake breaks down easily for storage in a corner of the shed or garage. A cushioned grip and generally thoughtful ergonomics make the rake feel more like a well-designed landscaping tool than a basic garden rake, encouraging longer sessions without fatigue.